ones I used to clean the bathroom?
Yeah. All right. We are back here on the Kia Soul with Miss Ashley here. Got our jack and jack stands and all that. So we're going to go ahead and replace the brake pads, which they're not even bad, but these rotors are. We're also going to do a strut, and some reason we have new stabilizer links even though we don't need them, so we're going to put new ones in anyway. And that's what we're doing today. So I guess the first thing is let's get all this loose stuff here undone, and we'll replace the strut. And then when we're done, we'll come back, pull out the, instead of pulling out the brake pads, actually we'll take this whole caliper off because we're going to put a new rotor in too. So let's get started. All right, Ash. Let's go ahead and we'll get these off of here. 19.
What do I need these for?
Because you don't be able to break dust on your hands. 17 on that side. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the one up top undone, and then we'll hit these out with a hammer. The one up top, this is what, 19. I think that's a 17. Yeah. Don't beat my concrete up too much now. We're loose. Alright, so go ahead and take your hammer and hit right here on these. In fact, I'll put this on there so it doesn't.
You broke it.
Yeah, you don't have to hit it real hard. Just make sure, yeah, there you go.
Like,
okay,
like
hit the
that?
other one.
Okay. That was not.
A little harder.
It's not going. I wanna
Okay. Alright, you want to take them bolts out?
from this end.
Yeah, so take this off. Take that one off on the bottom. Okay, and try to pull it out. Man, tap it out with a hammer.
Yeah, it's not coming.
Alright, go ahead and tap it out with a hammer.
This end.
Yep, just tap it. Don't. Yeah, turn around. Okay. Now I may have to get a punch. Go ahead and tap the other one. A little punch.
What's a punch?
Something you can stick in there. Alright. Go ahead and tap the back of this.
Back of this?
Mm-hmm. Try not to hit my hand. Keep on going.
Is it gonna like fall out?
This will catch it. Go ahead.
I don't know where that went.
It went right. Okay, so hold on, I can pull this out the way. Let's get in there. Get the new one.
Does it matter which one?
Yeah. Let's say on the box somewhere I wrote on there. Well, even that it says right and left. We need left.
Where are you seeing the words right and left?
RL. On the end of the number there.
So. Okay, so this is a left one. Dang, what are these giant staples? Can I pull this thing off?
Yes.
Want to know this?
Do what?
There's a little baggie. This stuff.
Okay. I kept the old stuff, but since it come with new, that's good. Let me get this off because we'll replace this while we have it out.
What is that?
These little things here. Let's see if I got a short 19. It was time to replace them. I was thinking they weren't that bad, but. Alright.
What is it?
Brake pads.
What about them?
I was thinking they weren't. They're over here.
What is this thing?
That's your caliper. That's the thing that holds brake pads.
Huh.
It's part of your caliper. Uh-oh.
What were you saying about it?
So maybe it was time to replace them. I was thinking they weren't that bad. They're pretty low. And they're not crazy low, but
I don't know what that means. Ew, they're really nasty.
see how much that your new brake pads are gonna be like that.
Oh.
But the problem was the
What do these do?
The rotors tearing them up. These are your brakes.
I thought those were tearing up the rotors.
Well, one of the way, I don't know which way it is, but they probably put new brakes on there. You know what I'm saying? But this was already tore up, so now it's tearing the brakes up. But what it does is the caliper that goes around them. When you push on the brakes, it squeezes these, and it squeezes these up against these. And more pressure or less pressure, depending on how bad you push. Works off hydraulic fluid, or brake fluid. Come on, bitch. There we go.
They're rusty.
There's some.
What is that?
What?
The thing you're screwing off right now.
This?
No, this thing right here.
This is all part of the rotor. Oh, yeah. So now, Why is the rotor not coming off now? Got both bolts out of it.
What the heck is that thing?
Where?
Like this.
This is just a dust shield. Okay, hand me your brake rotor.
I don't know what that is or where it is. Oh. That was coming out. It's heavy.
Alright, get me something to wipe this off.
Like a...
Like, I don't know, paper towel or something. But I've got to get all this. I got to wipe them off both sides.
So, like, do you want it to be wet or is it dry?
Boy, is this rotor even? There's a damn rear rotor. Damn it. New rotor is going to be stupid expensive. I'm not buying them local. Yeah, this is a rear rotor. See how thick it is.
So do you still need something to wipe it off?
We will when we go to put a rear rotor on. We're not doing that right now. So I got to order front rotors and front brake pads. I guess for now we'll just put your brakes back on. So I should take them brakes back and order them too. Well, we have rear rotors. So these front ones, they're going to be real expensive local. So I'll order new front rotors, rear brake pads, and we'll replace them all. So for now, we'll just put the old ones back on.